So we're back on site with IDEA Construction, Fabrizio Masso, and you've got Victor Salvador, Owens Corning product engineer for fiberglass, NetGen fiberglass insulation. That's going to talk to us a little bit about our ProPink complete system that we installed on the project on the party wall. So how was it installed, and what are some of the features?
Yeah, so it's like you said, it's a system. It consists of the ProPink fiberglass insulation along with the fabric or mesh to retain the product as it's being installed. The inspector gauge, which is used to measure the density of the product, which relates to the R value. So it's a complete system. Part of it as well as the training and certification of the installers. It's a full system. Everything has to work properly, and it's got a lot of flexibility. This is a kind of a unique cavity in terms of its depth, and the ProPink insulation was able to fill that full cavity without having to worry about which thickness that you're working with. So it's a very flexible system as well.